Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Understanding Life. Please subscribe our channel for latest updates.
Hey uncle, what are these people doing?
They are demonstrating against government's decision of cutting trees to build roads.
Why are they doing that?
It's because cutting trees causes deforestation, which is leading to global warming.
What is this global warming?
Global warming is rise in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere.
Why it is taking place?
You see, humans are causing carbon dioxide emission and they are also cutting trees so that carbon dioxide is not recycled.
But what CO2 has to do with global warming?
Do you know how the temperature of our planet is maintained?
Yes, I know. The sun is the source of heat to all planets in the solar system.
Yes, you are correct. Sun is the source of heat for all the planets in the solar system. But do you know on what factors the temperature of a planet depends?
I thought only of the sun is source of heat and that gives us desired temperature.
No, my dear. The temperature of a planet is determined by its distance from the sun and presence of certain gases which has ability to trap the heat from the sun.
What gases are those?
They are called as greenhouse gases.
What are greenhouse gases?
The gases which has ability to trap sun's heat are called as greenhouse gases.
How they cause global warming?
Okay, listen carefully. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapors trap sun's heat.
Agreed. How the temperature of earth is increasing then?
Now see, these greenhouse gases can trap sun's heat. If the concentration of these gases increased in atmosphere, what will happen?
More heat will be trapped in atmosphere. Oh yeah, it will lead in increase in temperature.
Yes, that's what is called as global warming.
Yes, that means global warming is increase in the temperature of earth due to human activities.
Yes, absolutely correct.
But how it is affecting us?
The climate around the globe is changing due to global warming. Seasons are becoming more and more extreme throughout the world. Due to global warming, species are going extinct. Agriculture is being negatively affected. It is affecting entire earth in all aspects.
Oh my god, are humans causing the destruction of earth?
Unfortunately, yes, they are causing their own destruction.
What should we do to protect our earth?
We will simply have to reduce the carbon dioxide emission. We can reduce our energy consumption. We can reduce the use of vehicles. In the production of meat, methane is generated, which is a greenhouse gas. So being vegetarian also helps. Transportation through cargo ships cause emission of carbon dioxide. So if we use local products, shipment transport across the ocean and sea can be reduced, which will reduce in CO2 emission. More importantly, plant more trees so that the carbon dioxide is recycled and global warming will reduce.
These peoples are doing great job. We should support them.
Yes, everybody should support them.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel, Understanding Life. Click on bell icon for latest updates. Save nature, save future.